with me, you have to be very, very strong and powerful. What we have to do now is learn how to do the vibrato. Ciao my beautiful people, my name is Lucia Sinatra. I'm a singer, songwriter, performer and vocal coach. And today we are here with Sara.
Hi!
She's my lovely student, and we are going to let you understand what we used to do during my lesson sessions. Are you ready? Let's go! Actually, I will give her some vocal warm-up that she never did before. It's very important before you start to sing that you touch each note of the scale. It's very important to do it. Vai. Breath, respiro. Prendi respiro qua. Respiro. Respiro. Very good, vai. Very good, respiro. Bello. Apri. Respiro. Ok, l'ultima era un po' calante. The last one was a little bit flat, the higher note. La nota più alta era leggermente calante. Questo perché comunque comincio a salire ed eravamo anche abbastanza in alto. When you do your vocal exercise, you have to be focused. Never put your head like this or like this. Just stay straight. Stai dritta.
Ok.
Put two fingers on your chin and never do like this. This will remember to you that you have to stay straight. Questo ti ricorderà di stare dritta. Ok, vedi che capisci? Oh, she understands English and she speaks English better than me. Ok. Okay, let's do something else just to be more comfortable with the notes. Facciamo qualcosa per essere un pochettino più sciolti, ok? Okay, I will show you what we have to do. This will be a very strong and hard exercise. Praticamente passi da petto a testa.
Ok.
Devi respirare. Ferma. Vai, cambio. Breathe, respira. Okay, it's not easy, non è facile. Maybe you can close your eyes as you prefer, puoi chiudere gli occhi.
Ok.
But stay focused, just relax your hand and feel yourself like you're singing a song. Vai. Breathe. Respira. Cambio. Switch. Ancora. Su. Down. Sali. Testa. Very good. One more. Switch. No. pitch, l'intonazione, però ci sta perché qua we are working on the semitones, so it's not that easy to understand quickly the key. Che ne so, io ti faccio una cosa così, ok, e tu lo ripeti. Ok, I'm going to do my improvisation of riff and runs here on gospel music because it's very nice. She will repeat what I am doing. Perfect things, but I need dynamics. Ho voglio che fai magari parti con la U, ok, I need control, dinamica. Let's do something else. We are going to understand how your vibrato works. You have to be very strong and powerful. I mean, not a weak lady. I want a very strong lady. Yeah. Okay, I have an idea. Wait. I have to punch my students.
Oh no! What?
Okay. To do vocal session with me, you have to be very, very strong and powerful. What we have to do now is learn how to do the vibrato. I'm a singer, and actually my website is www.singerindubai.com. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.